done with my makeup, guys, and I just tied my hair because you know what, super init diri sa Cebu. Okay, yugi ko ninyo guys, going to work and I'm gonna shoot some content sa SM. So yeah, mag-vlog ko. Here's SM, guys. Back to school, Manila. Nag-shoot ko here for them. Back to school video, TikTok video. So, i-watch nyo na ako sa akong TikTok soon. Then after this, mukhaon me. So, mag-shoot ako, guys. Quick little montage. Work day. Hi guys! Narungasad na ako yung malipong na ako mga viewers sa YouTube. Para ako lipstick. Wow. Gamay lang. Okay lang. Guys, today wala ko work and mag-grocery shopping me because wala na kayo makaon sa balay. Mo na yung cart. As someone na nag-live sa Cebu na wala may ref, so yeah. So, nagkuhan ng mga easy to cook na lang. Kaya wala may ref, guys. Lusod kayo. Makulit ko grab soon. So, i-watch niyo ako mga vlogs. Guys, grocery is secured. That's my day. Hey guys, today is Matumig event. Satik, murag media launch sa NU Cebu, and I murag what you call this campus tour, and invited me for this event. So come with me and tanawa unsay may tabo sa murag adventure banas. Oh, I know so anang kanila. Hi, Miss! Hi to my vlog. Naka-video kaya. Yes, meron tayong nalip. Ako na siya i-separate ng video. I know. Ako na siya i-upload ng video.
So before we begin our practice tour, allow me welcome Super PH, Angel Johanna Carrillo. Hi, Miss.
Diba? It's so nice. May lang classroom, guys. Daghang research.
Nice kayo.
Ito magpa-enroll si Pia.
Masters na ako. Sakit mo naman ako.
Oo, no? Hi, guys! Mag-school na ta here sa NU Day.
Incoming freshman diba?
Oh, or
Is the key high school student.
guys, barato ra diri. Diri mo.
25 day up. Kuya, ay naman. Ah!
Aray na mo sa NU Cebu.
Essential.
Mauni ng gymnasium, guys. Super, super big. Chance. You. Hi. The gym is super big. Go Bulldogs! 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 Joke guys, di ba rin nag-school?
Go team number 1, especially kami good Jelly.
Bye!
Late na
See you
mo tayo.
soon!
Bye-bye.
Enyo! Push it! Next week. Ready to back on.
They have food, guys. Money. Graduation na naman here sa Elinda.
Berlin, Algar, CONEC.
Wow. Congratulations. Back tour video. So, notebook, guys. And you book. Payong, guys. We have payong. Guys, sumanami sa NU event campus tour. And now, mag-coffee me guys because mag-edit mig mga video and all. And mag-chill-chill lang usa mo uli. So, ang ganahan mag-in-depth kayo guys ng mga details jud about sa school is i-watch lang akong TikTok. So, naram ako socials, diri tanan over. So, yan ko i-follow at Jelly Gels on my TikTok. I want Octane kay mag-chill lang me and mag-coffee guys. Dayon, mag-edit og mga vlogs kay kailangan ni pang post. Let's try there. Unsa ni?
Matcha frap na wala
Matcha frap na walay whipped cream kay no dan sila whipped cream. I would rate it 7 out of 10. Medyo tamis